mo.
Donald the Duck is now
Mag-lunch.
the pro.
Pork. Gusto lang niya yung karne. Gusto niya yung karne.
Lambot ng karne.
Sarap na. Sarap. Thank you, Daddy.
We have to turn Donald back into a duck. And the only way to break the spell is to find the beautiful Princess Daisy to give Donald a great big kiss.